MAG B is our new horizontal form fill seal machine that utilizes the XTS hygienic track. The track is a magnetic linear motion track that allows us to control each mover independently. It unlocks a wide range of applications for us, running small bags as small as a 4.5-inch bag all the way up to a 15-inch bag all on one machine, and we can change seamlessly between simplex and duplex. Yeah, there's a few unique things that we do for the MAG series that makes it a MAG machine, not just the magnetic linear motion track, but also the grippers themselves. We do a no-wear component gripper. So instead of having springs that close the grippers, we actually have magnets embedded in the gripper itself. It's a very clean design, not a lot of product accumulation surfaces on the gripper, and the gripper wants to stay closed at all times. So we open it and lock it in the open position as we go around the rear of the track after we drop a bag, and then when we have a bag, we close it and it stays closed all the way through to discharge. So it essentially eliminates any risk of a bag going to a place where it shouldn't, going around the track, and we have a nice strong grip for heavier bags as it goes through the track and does our operations. The perfect application for the MAG series of products is customers that have small retail packs that they want to run at high speed in duplex, and large club store style packs that they need to run at a high speed by doing double fills. So this machine allows us to do both of those with a very limited changeover between those two. This machine can cycle at 75 cycles a minute. So in simplex, we're doing 75 bags a minute, and then in duplex, we're doing 150 bags per minute. The perfect industries for the MAG are dairy applications like shredded cheese, nuts, trail mixes, dried meat products like a jerky or a biltong. Candy and confectionery are perfect for the MAG, as well as any sort of baked item, crackers, cookies, things of that nature.